Hi everyone, Erica Bronner here to share some more healthy tips on keeping you strong, confident, and feeling sexy. So today we're going to talk about citrus fruits. What is so amazing about the variety of citrus is all of them have an amazing amount of not just vitamin C, but tons of fiber, and the C that comes from it is your body absorbs it so much better. It also helps you to absorb iron, and with the fiber helps you feel full and keeps your digestion moving. And if you start feeling sick, adding a little bit more natural citrus will usually shorten the duration of whatever virus you have going on. So definitely take advantage of your citrus. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna roast them. So what that's gonna do is take its naturally tart flavor and actually soften that and enhance and make it a little softer. And we'll create a lot of really yummy recipes with that. So let's get started slicing them up and putting them on our pan. Okay, so we've got the Meyer lemons and limes all lined up on a baking sheet with some parchment paper on it. I've already warmed up the oven to 375, so we're gonna put them in. And as soon as they start to brown on one side, I'm just gonna flip them over, and it shouldn't take too long at the higher temperature. So to get that browning, I'm cooking them at a higher temperature to really lock in the sugar. So I'll see you in a couple minutes. Look at how beautiful these lemons and limes look. They're nice golden brown. And I have to tell you that the flavor of the limes are so much it's so much nicer and softer. It's gonna taste amazing with the chicken and fish and even the skinny cocktail that we're gonna make this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you start adding citrus into your nutrition now. Of course, if you can, strawberries are always a great way to do that. But they will really help to keep your immune system strong, keep the digestion going, lower your LDL cholesterol, and keep you healthy, strong, and sexy. Thanks for watching.